In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a sticky header on the Shopify Dawn theme. A sticky header can be an excellent feature for your online store, providing easy navigation for customers as they scroll through your website. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First things first, you'll want to be in the Shopify site editor. If you're already on your Shopify dashboard, navigate over to the area where you can edit the theme of your online store. Once you're there, look for the header section, which is usually located at the top part of your editor. Click on this header section to open its detailed settings and properties. Now, you should notice that on the right side of your screen, a panel opens up displaying various options and attributes related to your header. This is where the magic happens. We're looking for a specific option here, which is all about the stickiness of your header, something that can be easily overlooked if you're not familiar with it. In this right panel, you will spot a drop-down menu specifically labeled for controlling the sticky header feature. When you click on this drop-down, it will reveal different options you can choose from, allowing you to tailor how you want your header to behave as users navigate your site. To enable a sticky header that stays visible at all times, select the option that says Always. This setting ensures your header remains at the top of the page, regardless of how much content your customer has scrolled through. It's a handy feature for maintaining quick access to important navigation links, improving the overall user experience on your site. After selecting Always from the drop-down, you'll find that the option automatically updates. From this point, simply preview your site to make sure the header behaves as expected. You should see that as you scroll, your header now remains fixed at the top of your browser window, a convenient change that can enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your website. And there you have it. Enabling the sticky header for the Shopify Dawn theme is as simple as that. By keeping your site's navigation readily accessible, you're not only improving the usability, but also potentially increasing customer engagement and sales. So go ahead and give this feature a try. It's an easy tweak that can make a significant difference for your site visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check our other videos for more tips and tricks to optimize your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!